Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I just found that Microsoft is offering a multi-app install for Windows. So this is pretty good site that you should do on your computers that you just get, or like you're trying to install multiple applications on, or factory resetting different computers. But here's some cool tools and utilities too, like Rufus when you want to format a drive. Yeah, so I'm gonna drop the link in the description below. But yeah, multi-app install on Windows, so you can just click on this, hit OneNote and install. Wait, sorry, no, that one. They about to jack me up. All right, install selected, right? Then it's going to install the multi app installer, and it's going to push it. It's going to run everything for you, which is pretty dope. So definitely check this link out, and they're going to put it into your Microsoft Store, which they have here. Yep. So definitely check it out. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.